The Lord be with you. Good everyone. Today is Monday and our gospel will be coming from St. Matthew chapter 7 verses 1 to 5. The gospel said, "Do not judge, and the measure that you use to measure others will be used against you. If you take notice of the splinter in the eye of your brother, then why are you not noticing the plank in your own eye?" That makes us hypocrites. We always say we only have one judge, and it is our Lord Jesus Christ. That is why every time I am in the confessional box, I am always reminding them, I am not here to judge how sinner you are, but I am here to let you feel the mercy and the love of God. Because in the end, I'm just an instrument of God's forgiveness. Still, God will be the one to judge all of us. Let us be very careful in giving comments, especially those degrading comments in the age of social media. The proliferation of degrading other people, of having so much bashers, is really creating mental health problem on so many people. Because as if this generation, everyone is a judge. Everyone has a say on everything without first realizing the consequence of every comment that we are giving on other people. And so let us learn from our gospel for today. Be slow to judge, or even better, do not judge. Because in the end, we do not see what is truly the color of a person. Only God can see the contents of his or her heart. We must first look on ourselves. Because if we will have a real self-introspection, we will realize that at times we have more mistakes than others. So when we are judging others, we're only saying that we are better than them, which is a hypocrisy on our part. Let us ask God to give us a heart that is merciful like His.